The repair project on the Glades Cutoff Road Bridge over the C-24 canal was recently completed. This extensive project involved rehabilitating structural joints, repairing cracks on the bridge deck, addressing vertical cracks on the bent cap side faces, and fixing wall and curb cracks to prevent water ingress and subsequent damage. Additionally, the guardrails were replaced. The completed work not only resolves the structural issues, but also significantly enhances the bridge's overall safety and longevity, preventing further deterioration. The Public Works Department continues to serve the citizens of St. Lucie County with a solid, dependable infrastructure program. For more information about St. Lucie County infrastructure projects, visit stlucieco.gov.